So in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to create YouTube thumbnail. And somebody will be asking, okay, I'm a new YouTuber. I don't know anything about YouTube thumbnail. Please, can you elaborate it? Okay, YouTube thumbnail is that first attractive picture that you see on people's video that will attract your attention. It will first of all draw your attention. Okay, let me click and see what this video is all about, because it will be designed in a very beautiful way to attract people's attention to click on that particular video. Okay, and how does it help? It will make people to click on your video, and thereby as more people are clicking on your video, YouTube will be distributing your videos to more people, and with that you are likely to get more views. So in this video, I will teach you step by step on how you can create your YouTube channel, a very attractive YouTube channel, just free of charge, without any payments. You don't need to subscribe, and the app we'll be using is Capcut. I'll be guiding you step by step on how to create your, and also hit on the notification button too, so that you'll be notified anytime we upload our videos. And please hit on the like button to like our video, so that more people will be able to see and utilize this video. Thank you. So without saying much, let's go into tutorial, so that I'll guide you step by step on how you can create a YouTube channel so fast and so easy. Let's go there.
Get your Capcut logo and your background. As a tabs, Capcut logo. Download any one you like. Download any background of your choice. I'll just go for this one. Press add in it to download. This is the Capcut. Just tap on it to open it. And click on new project to import the background that you downloaded. So you tap on the background and tap on add. Tap on aspect ratio here. See this 16:16:9, that is the YouTube size. You tap on it, tap on good here. Then use your hand to expand it to fit in the background. I like my background blurred. Tap on effects, then video effects. Tap on blur and adjust it. You can leave it on, just adjust it anyhow, anyone how you want it. If you want it more blur, keep on increasing the number. If you want to reduce the blurriness, keep on reducing the number. I think it's okay for me like this. Tap on this good mark here. You tap on overlay to bring in the image, your picture that you want to use as image on the thumbnail. So you just need to use your hand to resize the image to your choice. Keep it to the position you want. Then you go to text. You tap on text here and type thumbnail font. That the font. Choose the font that you want. Choose any style of your choice. Tap on good. Use your finger to resize it the way you want. Go back to add text again. Type tutorial. You choose the style that you want. This is okay. You just use your hand to put it to any style that you want. You tap on good. Then let's go back to overlay and bring in the Capcut logo that we downloaded. Tap on overlay here. Just import it and use your hand to resize it. Can you see? It's so simple. All you just need to do is to screenshot it and crop it out and crop it in your gallery. That's all. So just go to your gallery and crop it out, and that's all about how to create your thumbnail, your YouTube thumbnail. Very simple.
So that's all about creating your YouTube channel. You can see, as you can see, it's very simple. All you just need to do is just to put in best in creating it, just try and rehearse about it. You don't need to wait, you don't need to compile the video and keep. You just start practicing it and you see yourself doing massively well in creating your YouTube thumbnail. Thank you, and please, if you've not subscribed to our channel, please do well to hit on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, and hit on the notification button so that you'll be notified whenever we upload our videos. Please hit on the like button to give us a like on this video. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.